tire, but I was talking to my uncle and all that. It wasn't a very good video. So 1990, I think it's 1996, Jayco pop-up camper. When I bought it, I've never greased the wheel bearings. And when I spun the wheel, it was like a sort of a grinding noise. Not grinding, but you could tell something was going on in there. So I figured I better grease the bearings. But then I was talking to my uncle and we decided, you know, to go with a bearing buddy here. Got it at O'Reilly's. I don't even know how much they were. For all the supplies, a grease gun, some gloves, which forgot to use, the cap here. What else did I buy? Maybe that's it, but it was like under $100. So, never done this before. Right now, just started, so I got jack on, but I haven't lifted it up yet because I want to loosen these lug nuts. Kind of pretty rusted. I think this was outside at some point. I don't keep it outside, but, well, now I do. But the whole time I've had it, when I was married, I kept it in the garage. Oh, there we go. Fix that. This is what I do. No, it's that way. Put that on there and spin it like that. Alright. That way. Now we can just thread them off. Oh, there we go, tire off. Now, put your tire to the side. And we need this stuff. We need flathead and the hammer here. And we're going to get off this dust cap. Ooh. There. Dust cap number 2. Now, okay, finally got the bearing buddy on there. That's kind of pain. Now, we're ready to put on the tire. Now, grease them up. Go on there. My wheel bearings changed, ready to go to Knoxville. Got to go in there and buy some of those orange wipes, clean my hands, get all this out here cleaned up. All right, that's the end of the video. That's how you change or put on bearing buddies.